Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we will learn quickly how to save a pandas data frame into a CSV file. So in the last video, we have seen a basics tutorial of pandas library. So in this video, we will just go ahead and save a data frame into a CSV file, and we will just see some 3-4 examples. So this I have taken from Geek's website for reference. So here you can see, so we already know how to create a data frame and how to print it from a dictionary. So here you can see the first example. We need to import this pandas and we have given alias as pd. So and we have the list of names, degrees and score, and these all we can load. So we are creating a dictionary using this list, and using this dictionary we are loading into a data frame. So data frame is a two-dimensional data, and these we consider as a pandas series. Series means it's a single dimension. We can consider as a column in a table, and the whole table is nothing but a data frame. So these are all the columns, and all the columns we have created a dictionary, and the whole dictionary we are loading into a data frame. And once we print the data frame, we will see a table structure. So let's go to the terminal and save it. So here use save to CSV. So here you can see name, degree, score, and these are all the values, and these are the rows indexes. So now we want to store this data frame into a CSV file. So it's very simple. There is already a function available, data frame to CSV, and we can provide a file name file1.csv. Then we can easily save it. So now let's check the file name file1.jsp. So here you can see there is a file1.csv. Let's open it. So you can see the data is stamped here. So you can see this is the indexes of the rows, and these are the names of the columns, and this is the data. So the next exercise is saving a data to the CSV without headers. So without headers or without indexes. So if you see this file, we have indexes also, we have headers also. So if you don't want to save these, we want only a data. So we have a boolean, headers false or true, index false or true. So we can choose either to store or not. So file 1 has this, and we are naming it file 2, and let's execute this. Now let's check the file again. So there is file2.csv. So now if you check, there are no headers, no indexes, only the data. Now let's go to further and saving a data frame to a specific path. So here we are giving direct file name, so current directory it will take. So we can give a specific file path and also a try. So I can give so data frame I am storing in this path. Let's execute and check it. Let's go to that path. So Python, in this I have given file1.csv. So in this there is a data. So for this I have not excluded this header or index. So in this file the headers or indexes are also coming. So the next one is First we are defining a users a dictionary with name, list and agent, and here we are loading a data frame using columns into your data frame, and here we are printing the original data frame. And here what we are, while saving to CSV, what we are doing is we are providing a separator. Normally the default separator of CSV file is a comma. So now we are giving a tab. This is a tab. So what if we save this with a, now we are reading from users.csv, means after saving, now we have saved this name and age list to a CSV with the tab separator, and now we are reading it from CSV and we are printing the data frame. Let's check what happens. So you can see the original data frame is this one we have stored into CSV file with a tab separator, and we are bringing that, reading it from ESC and printing, and you can see there is a tab. Let's open the CSV file and check directly what it is. So the name is users. So CSV file is opening properly. If you open into your text format, open with Sublime, then you can see this is a tab because we have added a tab separator. If you open other file as a text, let's say file 1, what we have saved previously, with a text file, to check what is the separator, you can see the separator is comma. It was not a tab. So the default separator is comma, and if you want to add a separator as tab, we are providing as a tab. So here let's try with something else, not a tab but some ABC. Let's name it user1 and let's execute this. So here it's throwing error saying the delimiter must be 1 character string. Okay, let's give only 1 character. Let's execute again. So now we have given A. Okay, we are reading it from original file. Users1 we need to read. So you can see here the separator what we are given is A. And if you open the file also, users1, I think the CSV file is not opening properly if you give some character as a separator. So tab it was working. So this is how you can save a data frame into a CSV file. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and wait for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.